Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'm back with another video. This isn't a card opening video. This is actually how to make this. In my last video, I asked if anybody was interested in me making a video showing how to make a playmat out of just like some leftover foils, or not really leftover foils, but foils that just really don't cost much. You know, they're just there. So pretty much the way I made this is a placemat, like a dinner placemat for a table. You can use what is it? What is it now? Poster board. There we go. So I pretty much just stole this from my fiance. She bought it, 3 of them for our table. Now we got like a tablecloth and some other stuff on it, and so I recycled them. This one's mine. And I'm going to be making hers in this video today. She's already got it designed how she wants it. So, pretty much like these type of foils, just like your commons that aren't worth nothing, your forests, your swamps, mountains, plains, you know, good old stuff, yeah. So with hers, usually, let me start by saying, they're usually, this is going to be a 6, like 6 across, 3 down. Usually they're like 4 by 8 or something like that. I can't really remember, but I think that's what they are. But well, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. Hopefully you guys can see all of it. If I have to, I'll just move it around a little bit because I'm working with minimum space. So first, what I'm gonna do is with these, I got them set up how I wanted them. So I'm gonna set it right here. Just set them up like this. So, right here. So with your first one, what you're gonna do is, hold on. I'm recording in my daughter's bedroom because we got company and I can't use my kitchen table. So, let me move this stuff out of the way. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your glue stick, I'm gonna shove this up here out of the way so we're not putting glue on this or anywhere else. We'll just do it right here. Take your glue, just a regular Elmer's glue stick. You get it on there, coat it up real nice, real nice. But after you're done with this, you're gonna wanna have it laminated. Like take it to the library or whatever, wherever you laminate something. I don't know, where do you laminate stuff? I still haven't got mine laminated, so I don't know. So you're gonna coat that on there real good. And then you're going to, with mine, I've got a line already, so I'm just going to work off of my line. And you're going to place that down there. And then start with, see, right here, these are all lined up. Well, you can't see shit. All right, so these are all lined up here. And you guys missed all of that. I'm sorry. So pretty much I put it right here. It's glued down. And this one right here is the one that's going to go underneath of it. And then I'm gonna set that there. What is this? This goes on the bottom here. Okay, so I'm losing my shit here. So there, that's there for these. This is right here for that, and those are already there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one down. So I'm gonna work down and get these 3, and then I'm gonna work over and get this one and just keep working down. So I'm gonna slide this back up. And go ahead and get some more glue on here. I would speed this up or do like a time lapse thing, but I'm using my phone to record, and it's an iPhone X, and I don't have a computer. So everything I record and everything I upload is recorded with my phone and is uploaded from my phone. So you're just gonna butt it right up against that other card there. Make sure it's even, and then just kind of give it like a little rub down, you know? Everybody loves a little tug and rub. I mean, rub and scrub, not tug and rub. All right, so get this other on here. Just try to move quick so you guys don't have to sit through a long video of me gluing cards down. You guys get the concept, you guys get the idea, so. And this isn't something that's too difficult. I mean, oh shit. Okay, well, that's fine. I got a little hangover here, but that's fine. We're just gonna trim this off here, and I'll just trim that there and trim up the side. And if you get any glue on the cards, it's not that big of a deal. I got some on mine, and all I did was take a baby wipe and just barely, I kind of let the baby wipe set for a little bit, and then once I let it set, I let it set for a little bit, let it kind of air out and dry some, so it wasn't so moist, and then just delicately wiped them down. And then right after I wiped it off, I grabbed a paper towel, dried it, so on and so forth. But there we go, get that one placed down. Oh boy, that one looks scratched up. Jesus. Alright, so shit, you guys missed that one too, man. So like I said, I'm sorry, I'm working with like minimal space here. I'll just do it like this now. Fuck it. Alright, sorry about if any of y'all don't like the cussing. I'm just gonna cuss. I can't help it. I've got a 4-year-old and a 3-month-old daughter, and I still can't stop myself from cussing. I got a bad mouth. It's not my fault. I blame my mom. No, I'm just kidding. Sorry, Mom. If you're watching this, I'm sorry. Sorry, Madre. But yeah, so there's that one. Wait a second. Yeah, okay. I'm doing it right. I'm doing it right. Y'all ain't here to stop me, so I'm out of control. I'm just going to do anything and everything I want. So let's go ahead. This one done. This is just... There we go. But yeah, if you guys like other stuff like this, let me know, man. I'll figure out some more little crafty things that you can do. I was actually thinking about taking just some... Let me see if I can find one in here that's... well, this one, for instance. Like how it's got the mount, the castle and stuff in the back. Go around and cut all this stuff out and cut around them. And then like have the same card and stack it up so this is kind of like 3D-ish and it's kind of like a box. Just tell me what you guys think about that. We might be able to do something with that. That'd be cool. Alright, I'm going to do this one. So there's kind of a pattern with this one. The Curator of Mysteries is going to be on each corner. And then right here and like over here, because there's going to be 2 forests, like so, right here. And then 2 mountains, and then another Curator of Mysteries here. So, I mean, I don't know, that's going to be cool. I like this one. She might get jacked. I'm gonna take her freaking playmat. She can have mine. But, no, I'm just kidding. I ain't gonna do that to her. But yeah, finally got my fiance slightly interested in playing Magic the Gathering. So, me and her sometimes will sit down and just kind of hang out, get the kids to sleep, and play some Magic. There's nothing better than that, you know. So we don't drink, so it's not like we put the kids to bed, let's get toasted. No. I don't drink, so I don't know. That's our fun, you know. That's our fun. Oh, let's go ahead and alright. Gotta hurry. I got company. Ugh. Let's go ahead and get this one down. We're almost done here, people. Bear with me. Shit, if I don't knock the camera down. Sorry. Once I get the money situated here, we'll get a better camera stand, all that good stuff, yeah? Let's slide us on over. We're working to the edge now. So, you guys tell me what you think about this stuff, man. We'll do more, like, or like maybe have it where you guys send cards in that you want made into a placemat, and I'll make them into a placemat for you. I don't know. Sounds cool. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, so get the glue on one of these last ones here. So, put that one down. Alright, so I guess it's got a few more here to go. Oh. So yeah, it's pretty much just like that, and then alright. So now put that one down. And we got two more. So while I'm finishing this, you guys just let me know what you guys think, and make sure to like and subscribe and share with your amigos. There we go. And the last one, Curator of Mysteries. And she's done. Just like that. Okay. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.